Is this sweet? Yes, it's sweet. Is this sour? No, it's not sour. What's this? This is sweet. Is this sweet or sour? It's sweet. Is that water? Yes, it's water. Is that milk? No, it's not milk. What's that? That's water. Is that water or milk? It's water. Are these pens? Yes, they're pens. Are these knives? No, they're not knives. What are these? These are pens. Are these pens or knives? They're pens. Is that a black car up there? Yes, it's a black car up there. Is that a green car up there? No, that's not a green car up there. What's that up there? That's a black car up there. Is that a black car or a green car up there? It's a black car up there. Is that a brown box down there? Yes, it's a brown box down there. Is that a red box down there? No, it's not a red box down there. What's that down there? It's a brown box down there. Is that a brown box or a red box down there? It's a brown box down there. Are those lettuces? Yes, they're lettuces. Are those cabbages? No, they're not cabbages. What are those? Those are lettuces. Are those lettuces or cabbages? Those are lettuces. Is that a new house over there? Yes, it's a new house over there. Is that an old house over there? No, that's not an old house over there. What's that over there? That's a new house over there. Is that a new house or an old house over there? It's a new house over there. Are those trees up there? Yes, those are trees up there. Are those bushes up there? No, those aren't bushes up there. What are those up there? Those are trees up there. Are those trees or bushes up there? Those are trees up there. Are those dogs down there? Yes, those are dogs down there. Are those foxes down there? No, they're not foxes down there. What are those down there? Those are dogs down there. Are those dogs or foxes down there? Those are dogs down there. Are those religious paintings over there? Yes, those are religious paintings over there. Are those statues over there? No, those aren't statues over there. What are those over there? Those are religious paintings over there. Are those religious paintings or statues over there? Those are religious paintings over there.